Welcome to the Spartha virtual experience. Please stand in front of the console and feel free to look around. We will be taking you on a journey, exploring the human body down to the smallest imaginable scale. Along the way, we will explore cutting-edge technology that Spartha aims to develop, technology that we hope will improve the lives of many people around the world. Now, let us start. This is where your journey begins, the human body. Our patient here has been suffering for a while with osteoarthritis and is about to undergo knee replacement surgery. Let's have a closer look. Click on the button at the top of the knee. Now you might think that knee replacement surgery is pretty straightforward, right? We prepare the bone for the implant, we place said implant, and that's about it. Well, no, not really. But to continue, we have to go even closer. Click on the button. We are now looking at the implant on a really small scale. When you are this close, the surface of the implant doesn't seem so smooth and shiny anymore, does it? Look, a microorganism, one of many types of bacteria that inhabit us. The vast majority of them are harmless to humans. But in surgery, they can become a big problem. You may not know it, but 5% of patients going through implant surgery are victims of post-surgery bacterial infections. This means that the surgery needs to be repeated, which increases the risks of infections and adds even more to the financial burden of the healing process. So, what can we do to avoid this? We at Spartha have researched a unique set of technologies that we hope will improve the lives of countless patients. The core of our patented technology consists of spraying different substances on the surface of the implant before surgery. Yes, but how does it work, you may ask? Well, let's play a little game. Grab the spray in front of you and use it to cover the whole front of the implant. Great. Now that this is done, what happens next? In order to understand how this works, we must zoom down to the molecular level and see how these substances react. Click on the button. The red and green molecules are the substances that you just sprayed earlier. Once on the surface of the implant, these substances mix and link together. Now we're going to need your help. Grab the green and red molecules and try to fit them together. It's like some sort of three-dimensional puzzle. Well done. The molecules form long threads. These threads are assembling into a film that covers the surface of the implant. This process is called Supramolecular Assembly. But it's the way the film interacts with the microorganisms that makes this technology so important. We're not going to bore you with the details of how these things happen, but we'll show you what happens. Oh look, it's those microorganisms again. Watch how it approaches the implant, this time protected by Spartha. You are looking at bacteria and viruses, dying without the use of antibiotics. It's hard to overstate how important this is. For now, its use is linked to very specific applications, like implant coating, but potentially it can also be used in textiles or electronics, and why not, the very headset that you have right now on your head. Our goal is to offer personalized implants, bespoke solutions, and much safer surgical procedures. We are now at the end of our journey. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you again soon.